Good day, this is the Professor, CBMG PhD, and today is Tuesday, August 18th, 2026. It is 4:56 and 18 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, aquatic life. So let's hop to it here. AI-driven approach reveals hidden hazards of chemical mixtures in rivers. Date December 20th. 2024. Source: University of Birmingham. Artificial intelligence can provide critical insights into how complex mixtures of chemicals in rivers affect aquatic life, paving the way for better environmental protection. The researchers and scientific investigators study a river system near Beijing. This river system is receiving chemical pollutants from a number of different sources, including agricultural, domestic, and industrial. The researchers expressed optimism that, by building upon these early findings, such technology can one day be developed to routinely monitor water for toxic substances that would otherwise be undetected. There is a vast array of chemicals in the environment. Water safety cannot be assessed one substance at a time. Now we have the means to monitor the totality of chemicals in sampled water from the environment to uncover what unknown substances act together to produce toxicity to animals, including humans. Research revealed that certain mixtures of chemicals can work together to affect important biological processes in aquatic organisms, which are measured by their genes. The combinations of these chemicals create environmental hazards that are potentially greater than when chemicals are present individually. The research team used water fleas, Daphnia, as test organisms in the study because these tiny crustaceans are highly sensitive to water quality changes and share many genes with other species, making them excellent indicators of potential environmental hazards. Our innovative approach leverages Daphnia as a centennial species to uncover potential toxic substances in the environment. By using AI methods, we can identify which subsets of chemicals might be particularly harmful to aquatic life, even at low concentrations that wouldn't normally raise concerns. Our approach demonstrates how advanced computational methods can help solve pressing environmental challenges. By analyzing vast amounts of biological and chemical data simultaneously, we can better understand and predict environmental risk. The study's key innovation lies in our data-driven, unbiased approach to uncovering how environmentally relevant concentrations of chemical mixtures can cause harm. This challenges conventional ecotoxicology and paves the way to regulatory adoption of the sentinel species Daphnia alongside new approach methodologies. Typically, aquatic toxicology studies either use a high concentration of an individual chemical to determine detailed biological responses or only determine apical effects like mortality and altered reproduction after exposure to an environmental sample. However, this study breaks new ground by allowing us to identify key classes of chemicals that affect living organisms within a genuine environmental mixture at relatively low concentration, while simultaneously characterizing the biomolecular changes elicited. The findings could help improve environmental protection by identifying previously unknown chemical combinations that pose risks to aquatic life, enabling more comprehensive environmental monitoring, supporting better informed regulations for chemical discharge into waterways. And this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. My code name is Will. I'm Professor Christopher Brunet, leader of research scientist, ufologist, psychic computer technician, computer programmer, philanthropist writer, mathematician artist, photographer film producer, chef animal and nature lover. My passion's world peace. Have a great day.